I'm just sitting here, I got time.
Hello and welcome back to this second tutorial on making a YouTube video in relation to your motorcycle content. I have imported a video and dropped it to my timeline. I will detach the audio by selecting right click, detach audio. Most intermediate video editors include the ability to detach audio. We don't need that, so we'll delete it to save file space. Today we're going to be learning about elements. Elements are a predefined length of time for an animation to occur. So happy birthday, get well soon, kaboom, those kinds of things will be located within the Elements tab of your video editor. If we choose one of these and drop it in the timeline above the video, we may find that we're able to adjust its length of time up to a certain degree. For example, this one is adjustable and we can utilize that as a short, oops, or we can determine that as a long oops up to a maximum length. I can't adjust it anymore. So if we were to play that again, we now get oops for a considerably longer period with an animation at the beginning and an animation at the end. So we're able to adjust that length to fit our video. Filmora uses what's known as chroma, along with many other video editors. Chroma is a predetermined color that you can select to make that color transparent in your videos, such as a green screen in a movie like Star Wars. Filmora incorporates that as black and as green, as in Star Wars. So there's two colors that are pre-selected. So the one that may be in your video editor might be different. But in this case, we can pick up the video element and drop it actually into the video. If we did this, then the black, that is the background, no longer becomes transparent. And we can get that black effect if we don't wish to have transparency. By doing that, it's embedded itself into the video. So if you choose not to go with that option, but to have it transparent, just click on undo a number of times until it appears back to where it was previously. And now it's transparent. It's important to remember that the element needs to go on top of the video because anything on top makes it a layer that sits on top of the video. If you were to drop it below the video, it would not take effect and you wouldn't see any oops, whether in the chroma black or as a transparency. It just wouldn't be available because the video is now dominant. But by putting the element on top, you've made that element dominant over the video, so now it becomes viewable. Many elements can't be adjusted in length, they are fixed. So the period of time that they occur for is predetermined by the element creator. If we to scroll down and grab another one, such as these wings, and have a look what they do, we might decide that that's too long and we can adjust it to be the size that we require to fit our video. We can get the properties of that animation and we can play around with some of its settings. For example, a transform can allow this animation to flip like so, rotate, and size. Click on OK and play. And we can now see that we have manipulated those wings to turn slightly to the right and scale down in size. So this is just a quick video on what an element does as opposed to a text, or what some video editing programs call labels, which are words that you can incorporate into your video, which we learnt about in tutorial number 1. So thank you for watching.